Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover all the last news about the Magic Newton airdrop and we are going to recap everything that you can do for this airdrop. Guys, Magic Newton is a very big project with a lot of funding and is still very under the radar comparing to many other active airdrops. Part of this airdrop is free, but the latest news are the autopilot that they launched that you can use, so we are going to cover that too. And I think that will be an important part on how you can be rewarded for this airdrop. So let's go directly to the content and review everything about Magic Newton. Newton is financial freedom on autopilot, the trust layer for autonomous finance. Smart, secure, verifiable build for a future where AI agents replace apps and interfaces, changing the world as we know it. Important points about this project is the funding. They have 85 million in funding, so this puts the project in one of the top tier A airdrops to do now. Of course, they are managing the AI agents narrative, which is a hot topic on crypto and around the world. The co-founder of Magic Newton, you can find it here on his X account, so we know about the team. And the airdrop is active. Newton credits are points earned through a participation in various activities on the Newton platform. These credits may determine eligibility for the future rewards or token allocation. So the first thing that you need to do in order to participate is showing here to the Newton URL. This is going to send you to the portal, and the point 2 that you are going to do is go to the explore quest, check the side quest, and link your guild, wallet and socials. So once you join to the link, you are going to see this page, and from here the first thing that we mention is that you can go to explore quest. You have partner quest or side quest. The partner quest already ended on March, so you don't have any of these active anymore, and the ones that you have are the side quests. So you can earn some initial credits, follow them on X, join in the Discord, follow in TikTok, Instagram, and most important, connect your guild account. You also have referrals, so if you are in my private Discord, you can share your referrals like many of my followers have been doing there. So the point 3, guys, is regarding the guild Magic Newton. This is a very important part of this, and I think many are not doing it. So go to the guild of Magic Newton, and you can mint the guild pin. So this is an NFT that is going to give you the possibility to be part of the initial community. Hey guys, we partner with What Exchange, one of the greatest decentralized exchange right now in the market. I love that you can see everything on your screen at once. You can connect to What Exchange from different mainnets, and you can see here the list of hundreds of tokens. They are continuously adding more tokens each week. And What Exchange has an active airdrop. They are going to distribute 30% of the total supply, guys, into this airdrop. So that is why I am super bullish trading here too. You can see here the point section that they added recently, so you can check everything about your progress on this airdrop. And in trading, you can see how many order tokens you earn because they have this payback system from the fees that you pay. Part of that goes back to you on order tokens. So check the link on the description to join to What Exchange, trade on the platform, participate on the airdrop of the 30% of the supply, and also get some order tokens back. All the links are in the description. So once you are here in the guild, you need to of course connect your wallet. You will need to have your wallet linked to a Discord and X account. And from here you can see this button, mint the guild pin. You will need to switch into the correct network if you are not there. And it's recommended to get this Magic Newton join guild because this could be a difference between participating on some boost on the airdrop or not. And you will need this for other things on the guild. Guys, some of the things already ended, but we are going to check what you can do and what you can't do. The first thing is that you can get the initiate role on Discord, and like you can see, only 457,000 people did. So I think this is around the number of people that are really participating on this, not more than 500,000. So to ascend to the next level, join the Magic Newton Discord and embark on the trials of Newton. So after you are here, you need to go to the Discord, verify your account there, and you are automatically getting the initiate role. Once you have that, you will be able to have this access. Now for the seeker of the true, you can see that you have access because you follow Magic Newton and you have the role already on the server of the Discord, the initiate role. But all these NFTs are already ended. You can see the claim end on December, on January, and in March. But what you can do is check here, for example, click on collect NFT. This is a seed round 1 NFT, and you can see the details. You can see it in OpenSea, for example, and you can try to buy some of these. For example, right now, the lowest offer here is 0.006 wrap Ethereum. This is in Polygon. So you can try to make an offer and maybe get some of these NFTs. There are 47,000 items only, and maybe some of these NFTs could be also part of a boost on the airdrop. We don't know that. But you have these 3 NFTs where you can make offers if they are listed. And that is the point B here on the point 3, that you can buy some of these NFTs on the OpenSea collection. Some of these NFTs, there are only 44k holders of them, so that is a very low number if this may significate an update or a boost in the different airdrops. And finally, the point C is the light paper quiz. You can do it, only 268,000 followers do it. These are the answers that you will need to put on the quiz, so you have that already here. So go back to the Magic Newton Guild, scroll down here to the light paper, you can see that you have access. Click here the light paper quiz, already did, so you can see response already submitted, but if not, you're going to be able to go to the link. This is going to give you 200 ethereal credits here. You can also check the leaderboard if you want to see where you are on the leaderboard of the Guild of Magic Newton. So try to be up to date with everything that you can do here. Then moving on into the portal again, on April 3rd they launched the game Magic Sweeper, so you can do that. And the point 5 that you can roll the dice once per day and earn some credits too in the portal. So going back here, click here on the icon, you will see that you can roll the dice here. You can do it once per day. You can see I already did this, so basically just click one button here and roll the dice. And the same for the Magic Sweeper here, you can play the game here, you can select the difficulty. Of course, intermediate or expert is going to give you more credits if you do it correctly. Those two you can do it once per day. Now point 6, we already did that at this point, but it's showing in the Discord of Magic Newton. You have roles there depending how much you contribute to the community, so it's a good idea to increase your level there. And point 7, which is the latest news, is that they launched the autopilot to buy some crypto, and you will get 500 points, and probably you need it for the airdrop, so this is mainnet usage. So from here you can see there are 2 tasks here, 2 Newton quests. The first one is that you can create your new account, so click here to launch the Newton application, and once you do that you are going to be able to do the second one. This one is going to give you 500 credits, which is actually use the autopilot. So first click here to launch the Newton application. This is what you're going to see. Like you see, I have 2 activations already, one that is buying weekly and another that is buying daily, and you can see completed transactions. So what you need to do is click on start a new agent, start a recurring buy agent, and now what you are going to do is you need to send funds into your wallet here. After you join here and create your account, you will have your own wallet. So click here the wallet, and you are going to see here you can copy your address, and remember this is in base and you can only send USDC initially. So click on receive, you are going to see your wallet like I said before, so send here some USDC on base. After you buy some tokens, you will be able to trade them here. So swap inside the application, or you also can buy using your credit card. Now the other way to fund your wallet is connecting your wallet here directly in the application. To do that, first we need to put all the information that we want here on the bot. So this AI agent is going to do whatever we say that we want. So for example, let's say that I want to buy $5 of USDC, and I want to buy, you have wrapped Bitcoin, Ethereum or Kait tokens. Let's say that I want some wrapped Bitcoin. Here you can put the frequency, daily, weekly, monthly, hourly. Let's put it weekly, and I will not put an expiration day, so this is going to buy until they use all my funds that I have here in the wallet. So I click on continue, it's checking the balance. If you don't have any balance, it's going to ask you if you want to add balance. At that time you can do it adding your wallet and sending funds from your wallet. So you can send directly to your wallet here from any other MetaMask or other exchange wallet, or you can do it using the AI agent. Because I have the funds, you can see it's confirming me what I will be doing from now on. So I will click on continue. You can see setting the agent permissions on chain, successfully activating your agent, and you can see you did it. Your recurring buy agent has been activated. The first transaction didn't went because of congestion, but that's fine. And you can see here the upcoming next phases and payment. This is one payment per week. I will be buying this wrap Bitcoin with the AI agent of Magic Newton. If this doesn't work, you can cancel this AI agent from here, so you can deactivate the agent and create a new one. And that's it. You can see now that I have 3 activations. For the ones with Ethereum, the transactions went through correctly. For Bitcoin, this transaction didn't went correctly, so I could here deactivate the agent, create a new one to try again, or wait what happened with the next buy on the next week, because this is a weekly AI agent. And that is how you are already using mainnet with the autopilot of the AI agent of Magic Newton. Guys, I think this is going to be important to do to get the reward. Once you do that and you have the first buy, you can come here, click on claim your 500 credits. So you add some more credits up here. That is all that you can do right now, guys. There are not many more things. It's very straightforward. Even people and important influencers maybe have 6,000, 9,000 credits. So not much of what you can do right now, even if you just started. So remember to daily roll the dice, play the magic sweeper, and use the autopilot. And finally, the other thing that you can do is YAP for Magic Newton airdrop rewards. So from May 8, we already have the leaderboard for Magic Newton, so you can go to the Kait leaderboard and check for that and start interacting to get some yaps for your Kait Magic Newton account. Guys, and that is everything that you can do for Magic Newton right now. I am expecting this airdrop, I will say in 1-2 months, maybe sooner, so I would recommend you to start doing everything right now. If you want more alpha about the airdrops and crypto, join my private Discord. Here in my website, Cryptocurrency State, you will find the subscriptions information. Click the green button, subscribe now. It's very cheap. You can pay monthly or annually. And you have my airdrop application that is going to make your life easier if you are not super familiar on airdrops, or if you want to have the app that is going to organize everything that you do applying to airdrops. I use the application, guys. I created it for myself and then expand it for all of you, and it's helped me a lot and saves me a ton of time, which is also super valuable. Remember, we have our NFT collection, we have our merchandising, so if you are interested on anything on that, check the links on the description. That will be all for this quick update on Magic Newton, everything that you need to do, plus the autopilot, which is paid on mainnet, so you need to really use money there, but I think it's going to be important for the airdrop. Try to use volume. It's not so difficult because you are buying some crypto, and probably if we continue in a bull season, the Ethereum that you can buy right now is going to worth more. So basically you are just using volume on Magic Newton. That will be all, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Follow me at CryptoCState in X Twitter account because I post live things there. That will be all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.